Alright, but seriously though, I got bodied so well. Got cocky. Had bad RNG. Got wrecked. I could have avoided it in so many ways. That's fine. We live and learn. Alright, cool. Alright, fuck that. We're gonna stop this. No. This is the base of this team. Technique. What? Oh my god. Okay, this game is literally on me. Okay. Do it, fam. Ugh. Oof. Almost had it too. I was about to get the quad. All I had to do was press Kraken. Okay, cool. This guy's a fool. Literally not allowed in this area. This is the no enemy team zone. Alright, we out. I know. Alright, check. Alright, cool. That whale wasn't even intending to aim at me and it got me. Dumb. Okay. This is the comeback our team desperately needs. Fuck. Alright, go. Go, Bucket Man. Okay, well, now it's too late. Now you kind of have to wait. Now you have to chill. Now this man needs to chill. I'm a literal god. That's it. This proves it. No one can stand up to me. No one can touch this. You thought this game was over, but it was just a ruse. Just a ruse. You were put on a ruse cruise. Did you enjoy Wolf's Wild Ride? It was great.